Let's start with the currency pairs. The US dollar, the Asian session has just been crazy for the last week with,
Yeah, look at all those dots. It likes measles.
yeah, exactly. It's just been absolutely nuts. I just can't believe how much. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Current market trend, according to the HUD, is up, which is obvious. Very bullish trend. We are overbought. Very strong trend. Volume is up at the top. I think this is probably going to pull back a little bit before it goes up. So we'll do something like that. That's very likely to happen, but this has been going on for quite a long time. So if it pulls back all the way to here-ish and turns white, I would be careful of a complete rollover here.
Mhm.
Anyway, that's what I'm looking at. USD Canadian dollar, we are currently in a downtrend. Same thing. We are oversold. Really, these rubber bands are really stretched. Look at these RSI numbers, 18.
Yeah,
Volume is way up. There's super strong trend. And somebody is waiting to kill a squirrel with a slingshot here. Same thing here. I would not be surprised if this snapped back really hard in the other direction. Is there any news
I don't know.
accelerate that? I think the only thing today is the University of Michigan sentiment at 9. I would just be cautious on these. That's my advice. They're just all really overbought and oversold.
Yeah, we had the housing starts and stuff like that a second ago, but it was all good numbers. But
Yeah,
I don't really, I think you're going to have some sediment stuff, and that's,
yeah, Chief. Currently, the trend is down, but we're oversold. This one actually is starting to spring back a little bit, but that doesn't mean anything. They can keep going down if they want to. Bearish trend strong,
mhm.
oversold, good volume. Just keep an eye on that as well. Pound US dollar. This is in a uptrend. It's bullish. We're not completely overbought on this one yet. The RSI is still in the 60s, but volume is strong and it's a strong trend. We've had several S&Ps up here. Like I said, I like to fade the blue ones, and that would have worked here. That's the strategy of the moment. And that's all I got. How about you, Dave? Anything?
No, I just think that it's interesting. A lot of activity happening overnight, even though we have a bunch of good news from the US. A lot of looks like people are still second guessing the economy.
Have a good one, bud.
You too. Have a great weekend. Happy trading.